We are going to talk about two important things in today's class. One is related to self-introduction that we discussed in the last class. Fine? We want to make it complete. And second thing, what I got the observations from other students, I could find that you people face difficulty in designing resume. How to make an effective, attractive, convincing, killer type of resume. So the next half I'm going to talk about that. Fine? Okay. So first thing, for self-introduction, I'm going to show you people one video. Did you see that in the last class or not? This video? Okay. I will share this in the WhatsApp group, right? Year 2 class. Fine. Please look at that, the link. I'm also sharing the same link in the chat box. It is of 6 minutes. You need to watch this and then you need to form your self-introduction. Fine. It is consist of, for example, if I share this, the first this is something that you need to remember and prepare. You have done this already, but still you need to do because it is not there in your mind right now. Fine. Yeah, yeah, somewhere in the first one, right? So name, personality, age, family background, education, hobbies, and future plans. These are the things that you need to prepare. So the link I have shared with you people, you can watch the video of 6 minutes, fine, and prepare your self-introduction like this, fine, and then we'll go to next phase of our resume writing, fine. So it is 10:55. 10 minutes, 11:05. In 10 minutes time, you need to complete this both, right? The people who have joined recently, for them, look at the WhatsApp group link which I have shared in the group. Watch that video of 6 minutes, prepare your self-introduction and to speak. Fine. Venkatesh, you have started sharing your screen by mistake. Remove it. Now I've got 7 minutes to go. Watch that video. The people who are offline, they are also requested to watch that video. Or what you can do is, yes, you can look at it from here. No, Vatsal, you need to just watch the video. If you don't write answers right now, will it do? My purpose is to just make you watch this video and prepare your self-introduction according to that format, right? This is what I want. The remaining students, please prepare the speech, write down. Everyone. And you need to write the script. For example, for me, you could write, my name is, I am, this is. Do not write myself. Myself equal as wrong expression, don't do that. If we have personality, you can write down any adjective, all set of adjectives. I'm innovative, creative, social, calm, dedicated, what set of adjectives we do? You can three, okay. You don't know what it is. Right? Then age. In age, you can mention that I am in my early 20s, I am 17. You can speak like this. Right? For family background, we have 4 members in the family. I, my brother, my sister, or my mother's mother, whatever you say, right? Whatever. And then you talk about the needs. Education, never use pursuing. Right? It's a wrong thing. Generally, people do wrongly. So you can say that I pursue. Right? I pursue mechanical engineering from Marwadi University or Marwadi Education Foundation. Present continuous tense is used when something is happening at point of time. Right? You are not doing engineering right now. It's a common process. So when you want to say or share state of being, right? For that simple present case is used. So I pursue mechanical engineering from Marwadi University. Right? Or you can say I am the student of 7th semester mechanical engineering or final year student of mechanical engineering from of Marwadi Education Foundation. So you can mention like that. Hobbies. You can write hobbies, but it should be in parallel form. For example, if you say my hobbies are playing cricket and watch movies. So playing and watch, it should be parallel. If you write watching and playing, or you write play and watch. So both the verbs should be in same form, parallel form. Fine. Last one is future plans. You can talk about your future plans. I aim to become, I wish to become, I would like to become. Right? You can talk about it. Go ahead. Yes. Last 2 minutes to go. Let's go for it. Like a relief was there now in the office. Was one of them. Now we have started coming. Students have started coming. So maybe next week we will have more students. Last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute. You must. I hope you must have seen the video. Okay. So we'll start the self-introduction. Vatsal, please go ahead. You can unmute your mic and speak.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, what I have to do, sir? I have, oh, I have to give introduction. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Okay, my name is Vatsal Joshi. We will not going to use myself because it shows attitude. So that's why we will going to use my name or I have
Go ahead.
this name.
Right, right.
Okay, and about personality,
Okay.
uh, we will use not simple word but we will complete in short word like helpful.
Vatsal, you need
Yes.
to speak your self-introduction. I have
Okay.
guided all the people, so you need to just perform by sharing your self-introduction. So go ahead with that.
Okay, sir. Okay. My name is Vatsal Joshi and data and right now I'm studying in Marwadi University.
I study in.
I'm studying.
No, I'm studying is wrong. I study. No
I
ING.
study. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I study in Marwadi University.
Very good.
We okay, sir. We don't have to use pursuing or pursue, no.
Yes, we need to use pursue, not pursuing.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Right now, I'm studying Marwadi University. I have past experience in a manufacturing company, like they will make the tractors. So I have experience in that company. So my personality is I'm flexible and I'm uh, uh, extraordinary to do some work with great or ordinary and extraordinary knowledge with the tractor in the form of manufacturing companies. And my father's name is Vipulbhai Joshi and my mother's name is Jyosnaben Joshi. I have not siblings. I have not brothers and sister. I am the only one in my family member. We are only 3 person,
Okay.
and yes, my hobbies. I love to play cricket and love to read books. To playing cricket. Okay, sir. That's from only fine.
Okay, fine, Vatsal. It's good to go for the first attempt. Very good. Fine.
Okay, sir.
One important thing I would like to mention to everybody, offline, online, both, that you are not supposed to follow the sequence. This is not sequence. These are elements. That means you can make changes as per your understanding, as per your requirement. Fine. Okay. So now I'll ask somebody from the offline to share. Right? Will come. Will the first one to share self introduction? Everybody's turn would come. Sooner or later, you have to speak. So why not to start with 50% of my lecture timing, goes in requesting, urging people to speak. Right? This is the course on speaking English. To motivate you people to speak in English. Come, please. Yeah, you come down here. Fine. What's your name? Abhishek. Abhishek is going to come. Fine. He'll be. I'll start the camera so that Abhishek can be here. Come here, come here. It's okay. Come. You will see yourself only. Fine. Stand straight, no problem. Fine. Okay. Good.
My name is Abhishek Doshi. I study in Marwadi University in Mechanical Engineering. I am 21 years old.
Go ahead, go ahead. You can say I am 21 years old, I am in my early 20s. Then you talk about your family background.
Yes, sir. I have five family members.
Okay.
My father, mother, my elder brother,
Okay.
and my grandparents.
Okay. Then you can talk about your education.
Sir, I have passed out from Christ Polytechnic Institute in Diploma Engineering.
Passed out is wrong.
Okay.
I have completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Christ Diploma
Yes.
College. Now I pursue my
Mechanical degree in Marwadi Education Foundation.
very good. Very good. Next.
I have past experience of B2B business portal.
Okay.
I am the sales manager of of that company.
Okay. So I have worked as a sales manager in one B2B company named
IndieBiz.
IndieBiz, right? Okay, good. Your future plans?
Sir, I have to be an entrepreneur.
Okay, I want to be an entrepreneur, right? So I'm interested in startup,
Yes.
right? That you can say. Okay, good.
Thank
Very
you.
good. Yes, next, you can nominate your friend. Yes. So we'll have 3 students from here, offline, and 2 more students from online, and then we'll go for resume writing. Fine.
Yes.
So here is Saurabh from 7th semester mechanical EA 2 EA7 class. Here he goes.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I am Saurabh Bhojain from 7EA2 class. Today I am going to introduce myself. Firstly, I will talk about my age. I am of 22-year-old. Then I will go about my family background. I have a family background of commercial. My father is a chartered accountant, and I am the only one who have taken a technical field. So, afterwards, I will talk about my education. I have passed out from my diploma in Christ College. Afterwards, I have started my engineering in Marwadi. Later, I will talk about my personality as I am an enthusiastic person and I am also hardworking. Talking about my hobbies, I have hobbies of reading newspapers and traveling solo riding. Apart from this, I have lit some of the future plans. Let's say I am planning for my masters in abroad.
Okay, good.
Okay, thank you.
Good one. Yes, we'll come next. We'll have 1 more student from the offline and then we'll go for a last one time. Okay. Meanwhile, people get ready. We can ask somebody from online. Venkatesh, I've seen you after a long time. If you can. Venkatesh. Vishal. Ravi, Brijesh, Hardik, Ajay Singh. If you don't want to speak, type no in the chat box so that we can move ahead. Otherwise, it looks like I'm waiting for you. Yes, Hardik, please go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Hardik Raj. I belong to Rajkot. I am pursuing graduation in Marwadi University.
I
I
pursue,
am
Hardik. I
okay.
pursue, not pursuing, right?
I pursuing graduation in Marwadi University. I am in B Mechanical Engineering in second year. I have completed my diploma study from Government Polytechnic Engineering. In my family, apart from my parents, I have a younger brother. My father is a carpenter. My mother is a housewife, and my brother is studying in 10th standard. My hobbies are listening to music and reading books. Uh, that's all about me. Thank you.
Good one. Hardik, good to start with.
Thank you, sir.
Fine. Now we have one gentleman from offline. He'll come down here and introduce himself. Fine. Please.
Good morning, all of you. I am Vishal Kanjaria, and I am creative, sociable, helpful, protective, and flexible. I am 21, and I am from Jamnagar. My father name is Babu Bhai, and mother name is Geeta Ben. I have 2 sisters. I have completed my diploma in Atmiya University, and I am from Atmiya University, and I am graduated from Marwadi University. My hobbies are to playing badminton and traveling and singing, and I would like to become a good design engineer at very good companies. Thank you.
Great. Fine. Anyone from offline, online would like to speak? Other than Hardik, Sagar, Jeet. Jeet has rejoined recently, so if Jeet would like to share self-introduction. Yes, Jeet, where are you? Fine. Okay, students. So we'll move to the next phase of our today's session, right? Okay. We need to talk about resume. Now, what do you mean by resume? Resume is your brief introduction, brief details about your curriculum, your academics, your personal, your social, right, your achievements. Now, the difference between a good quality resume and simple resume. What is the difference between these two? The difference is not more than 50 rupees. The difference in terms of money, it is less than 50 rupees, but impact is very high. Fine. How come? Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to share certain things with you people and we'll discuss about it. I'll take you to one platform called Canva. Canva is a very beautiful platform. All your needs can be addressed with this platform. Why? Because if you look at the template, you will find social media, personal, business, marketing, education, trending. You'll find everything, right? Even if you wish to have, your blog post, your Facebook post, Insta post, you can design from here and you can go for it. Fine. Out of this all, I have one thing selected for you people is resume. You will find these all types of templates which are easy to edit and export in terms of PDF. Fine. I can tell you that within 60 minutes time, you can complete your killer, convincible, presentable resume. Fine. For example, academic, if I select, I'll find such kind of things. Now, wherever you find crown, it's not for you. Fine. And I tell you that if you log in with your Marwadi's ID, right, Edu ID, it is free. Everything is free for you. Yeah, I'll share. Canva.com, simple. You can do it from your mobile itself. It has got mobile application too, Android, iOS, everything. Fine. Now, what I want to show you people today is, for example, you select any one. For example, I select this. The moment you select any of the template, you will find more like that. Fine. For example, I select this one. I think it suits my personality. Customize this. Now, if you wish to customize, how you can do this? Fine. So here is an option. You can start customizing. Now, for example, first thing first, I want to change the photograph. Now to have photograph in a circle is difficult task for doing, right? So here is easy. For example, I'll go for upload. Fine. I have my photograph here. So what I'll do is I'll minimize this. I'll remove my photo. I'll go for upload. I select my photo and put here. Done. It's so easy in a way. Fine. Now you can see this. I want to change name. What I do is I'll write Deepak Mushroom. If I want to change the font size, I can do that. If I want to change the font, I can do that. You'll find millions of good quality fonts, right? So whatever suits you and your personality, you can change it. Now, if you wish to change this one, there are two colors. Now I want this color to have something else. I want some reddish tone. I can have reddish tone. For second color, I want to go for blue. So red and blue tone is changed. Fine. You can have designs, specialization you can write down, experience you can write down, everything that you wish to you can write down here. Fine. So this is something you can plan and you can write. If you want to have 2 pages, you can have 2 pages. You can create 2 pages, right? You click on template and you will find, for example, you say, sir, I don't want to go for my photograph. I want something without photograph. You can add without photograph. I want to go for something green color tone. What you can do is simple. You click here, you can change it, adjust. You can go effects also if you wish to. If you want to make it animated, you can go for animated. If you want to give effect to photograph, you can go for it. Fine. So whatever you wish to do, you can do this. Fine. For example, if you go with this one, this is something I like the most because it covers almost every details of yours. Fine. Here you can change this. This has got gears. So these gears can help you to have the impression that you are from mechanical branch. Fine. If you have any question regarding this, people who are online, please type your doubts, your questions. If no doubts or questions, please type clear in the chat box so that I understand I can go ahead. Everyone. Okay. The people who are offline, is it clear? Yes. Fine. Is it effective? Yes. Useful? Fine. So this will not only be helpful to you for your resume, but for overall presentation. Right? For example, if you're preparing a presentation for startup, fine, or you are preparing a presentation for your project presentation, right? You can find even PowerPoint presentations here. Fine. So this is something that will help you. Fine. There are many other such websites from where you can download it. Another one is slidemodel.com. If I write slidemodel.com, so you can have your own presentations, you can have designs, all are editable, 100% editable. For example, if you want to talk about your designs, see the 3D design. You start your design presentation like this. Second slide, third slide, fourth slide. Isn't it fine? Fine. So slide model, you can enroll or register with your email ID and you can go for it. So any doubt? Yeah, I'll share this so that the people who are there online, even they can get to know. Slide model, right? You can download. If you subscribe, you will get one such kind of presentation template in your email every day. Now let me know if you have any question or query till now. Everybody, is it clear? Everyone? Okay. Is there anybody who wishes to go for self-introduction? That I want to speak my self-introduction. Offline? Anil? Yeah, come down. Fine.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Anil Derwalia. I am from Jasdan, Gujarat. My age is I am 20-year-old, and in my family we have three person: my father, my mother, and me. So I am completed my diploma engineering at Government Polytechnic Rajkot, and now I am study at Marwadi Education Foundation in uh, mechanical engineering. And I am a very hard working person, and my hobbies are in agriculture. I am come from agriculture field, so my background is agriculture. So my hobby is to drive a tractor and different instruments of agriculture in my farm. Future plans is uh, I create a different instrument to help in agriculture field to make different works easily. So that's it, sir.
Okay, very good. Good. Instead of I am 20 years old, you can say I am 20. Right? I'm 20. That will go. Right? Otherwise, that's fine. Everything is good. Okay. Yes. So we can have all done offline, right? Okay. Please come. Go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Meet Trivedi. I'm 20. I'm talking about my personality. I'm kind and caring, and also ambitious. I have we are four members in my family. I have a younger brother, and I after doing diploma, now I am a student of mechanical engineering of 7th semester, and my hobbies are singing and traveling, and my future plans are doing masters in engineering.
Okay. Mechanical.
Mechanical engineering. Thank you.
Okay. Good. Very good. So I hope that this session would have given you more insights about resume and self-introduction. By next week, I want the resume, one copy of resume, soft copy as a submission. Fine. When you go for printout, go for 100 GSM bond paper, right? If you get the printout, black and white printout, it will cost you 50 paise. If you go for bond paper, it will cost you 1.50 paise, 1 rupees and 50 paise. it's a question of 1 rupee. If you go with color paper, color print, right? I don't want you people to have all the colors, right? It should not be a rainbow resume. But decent colors, if you go and if you go for it, see the person who is going to recruit you. I give you a simple example, a very simple example. When you go to buy a pen, find SS Natural, simple pen, right? It's of 2 pens in 5 rupees. But if the shopkeeper says that the pens are without caps, will you buy? You will say, why? Because I have paid money. If the shopkeeper says it is little bit more sharpened on the top of the pen, which has nothing to do with the writing and fitting, even though you will not buy it. Why? Because you have paid 5 rupees, so you need quality. This is a human tendency, human psychology. It's a very crystal clear thing. Now just imagine the person who is going to give you 20,000 or 50,000 per month. Will he accept the candidates without caps? Will he accept the candidates with who are more sharpened or not be fitted? When we has or the company has more options. If it's only one stationery in your town and only few pens are remaining and you are in badly need of pens, you will accept pens, whatever pens are there. But when we have 5 shops in a line, there are 50 options available. I don't think that person can compromise with the quality when the person is going to pay for it. So mind it in the placement. When the company is going to offer you salary, a very good salary, handsome salary, company will not compromise. So be prepared to compete with your best friends. Because why best friends? Because your best friends are your replica. They think like you, right? So your best friends are your best rivals, your competitors in the interview. But that is a fun, right? Because if you deserve, you will get it. That's for sure. Fine. So raise your bar, right? Be transparent and you will get it. Fine. Okay. So we keep up to this. In the next class, before we start the next class, I'll share the link of Google form. You need to submit your video of self-introduction and 1 resume, right, in PDF file. So the people can write down your enrollment numbers in the chat box. The people who are there offline, right, they can come down here and they can write down in the chat box, right, so that I can consider it. Vishal, I'll not forget to mark your attendance this time, right? Yes, everyone, please come down one by one and write down your name and enrollment number. Oh, fine, no problem. Will do.
હાલો બોલી ગયા હવે
You can leave. The people who are online, they can leave after adding the enrollment numbers.
આખું હાલશે બધા 19 સિરીઝ માં છે સર લખી નાખું ને એમને
$26, $22, $26.
27, sir. Again 26 करने को है. Third one.
Right? 27. Okay. So thank you everyone.